I remember years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did, and you were strong and I was not. My illusion, my mistake. I was careless, I forgot I did. And now, when all is done, there is nothing to say. You have gone there so effortlessly. You have won, you could go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftops, write it on the skyline. All we had is gold now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Love is hard, falling for betrayal is worse. Broken trust and broken hearts. I know, thinking all you need is there. Building faith on love and words. Empty promises will wear. I know. And now, when all is gone, there is nothing to say. And if you're done with embarrassing me, on your own you can go ahead, tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftop, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did. Tell them all I know now. Shout it from the rooftop, write it on the skyline. All we had is gone now. Tell them I was happy and my heart is broken. All my scars are open. Tell them what I hoped would be impossible. Impossible. years ago, someone told me I should take caution when it comes to love. I did.
The brightest stars of history, the triumphs, failures, infamy just blend into tapestry. The ebbing waves of memory's beach will mark the sand where waters reach. Impressions are all they leave. Words forgotten, never to return. But these precious few are flames that always burn. Whoa. Cannot be earned. The promise that will not be overturned. Whoa, remember me. Oh, remember me. Every time you drink, every time you eat, remember. Remember me. Oh, remember me. Oh, remember me. Ooh, remember me. Oh, take the bread, take the wine, look beyond this mortal time and wait for the kingdom.
remember the moment you face. Is it all straight ahead or behind you? Or maybe if you look around, you'll see everything's perfectly clear, and picture it all in your mind. Remember where we are now. Open your eyes and take it all in. Remember where we are now. This is where your life begins. You feel like you're lost in the crowd, watching life go on without you. Well, baby, it's your turn to shine. Everything's starting right here. Don't leave this moment behind. Remember where we are now. Open your eyes, take it all in. Remember where we are now. This is where your life begins. Don't look away. It's the life that you choose, now believe it. There'll come a day when you look up and see how good you are with me. Remember where we are now. Open your eyes and take it all in. Remember where we are now. This is where your life begins.